Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, guys, between year 2015 and year 2023, known as the 6th generation of Ford Mustang. If you're trying to find the fuse for your cigarette lighter, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's important to test them, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays at a fraction of the price. All that will be covered today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation, from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So specifically we will demonstrate on a 5.0 GT V8, but even if you have the 2.3 EcoBoost, it will work as well. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, okay, support it. If you're tired of supporting that hood, guys, we'll have a special video how to actually install strut, guys, okay, strut supports. So if your cigarette lighter outlet, guys, okay, does not work, okay, the one right there next to the transmission shifter, you can see, talking about that one there. If it doesn't work, I'll recommend to check that fuse now. Okay, let us show you where it's located. So if we come in right here under the hood, this is the fuse box right there. In order to open it, you press that thing, pull up, lift it. Here on the inside you have the fuse numbers, and the layout of the fuses practically the same to what corresponding to what we have right here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So if you guys need to buy cheap fuses, you may have up to 4 different kinds of fuses, and some of those are special at the parts store. They cost quite a bit of money, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping, guys, okay, as well. Check it out, we'll share that in the description of the video below, the link to that specific thing. So which fuse, guys, okay, you need to check now specifically, okay, for that cigarette lighter. So if you come right here, that's fuse box right there, that square fuse box that we have here specifically. We're going to check fuse number 53, the very top one on the left corner, right there. That fuse, guys, the first one here, that's the one, okay, that we need to check. That fuse is the one for the cigarette lighter. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.